Hi, it's Miss Rosie with the San Diego Natural History Museum. The fun story I have for you today is all about most 8-year-olds' favorite natural history topic. If you guessed dinosaurs, you got it right. So this is called How Do Dinosaurs Say Goodnight? It is written by Jane Yolen and illustrated by Mark Teague. And see if you can guess who the dinosaurs are. I'll tell you at the end of each page. How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Papa comes in to turn out the light? So there's Papa with our first dinosaur. You probably guessed who that might be. Oh, look at that little train there. That's Tyrannosaurus Rex. Does a dinosaur slam his tail and pout? Oh my goodness, look at that big pouty dinosaur. Those big back plates and that spiky tail. Ah, look at Dad. That's Stegosaurus. Does he throw his teddy bear about? Oh my goodness. Look at that dinosaur throwing the teddy bear. And this is fun. The name of this dinosaur has been spelled out in blocks. I kind of blocked it with my finger. Pteranodon. Does the dinosaur stomp his feet on the floor and shout, "I want to hear one book more"? Oh, look at that dinosaur. She looks like she really wants a book. Big old feet. And I can't remember the name of this one. Let's take a look. It is right. Oh, Trachodon. Take a look right there. Trachodon. Does a dinosaur roar? Oh, look. It must be pretty loud. Look at Dad. Oh, she's got a big wide mouth. Can you imagine how loud a dinosaur might be in your house? And if you guess that's Triceratops, you got it. How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Mama comes in to turn out the light? So look, Dad's just like, I give up. Mama's gonna give it a try. Oh, what do you think that dinosaur is thinking all about? Does he swing his neck from side to side? Oh my goodness, such a big dinosaur. Do you know what this one is? A Patasaurus. Does he up and demand a piggyback ride? Oh, there's that club tail and the spikes. Oh, look at Mama. She looks kind of scared. Would you like to give a dinosaur a piggyback ride? We have a model of this one in the museum in Allosaurus. Does he mope? Does he moan? Does he sulk? Does he sigh? Oh, she looks a little upset there. You may have spotted the name of this one. Oh, such drama from Allosaurus. Does he fall on the top of his covers and cry? Oh, this is a funny picture. Look at this dinosaur all draped over the bed. And I want to show you this face. Look at that face. Oh, lots of drama there without going to bed crying. And this is Corythosaurus. I always forget that one. But I think you can remember. Look at this big thing on the head, the big crest on the head of that dinosaur. No, dinosaurs don't. They don't even try. They give a big kiss. Oh, look at the lips on the T-Rex there, giving Mama a kiss. Would you want a kiss from a T-Rex? Not me. They turn out the light. Oh, look, nice and relaxed in the bed. I'm going to turn out that light. They tuck in their tails. They whisper, "Good night." Oh, that's so sweet with the teddy bear. And this one with the big crest on the back, Dimetrodon. They give a big hug, then give one kiss more. Oh my goodness, this one, look how big that is. All those covers the whole page. Oh, a hug from a T-Rex might not be too bad. Good night, little dinosaur. I hope you enjoyed this story. It's pretty fun thinking about how dinosaurs might say goodnight. Take care, and I'll see you next time.